I love a good salad, and there is something about summer salads that is just a little more refreshing and exciting. Watermelon is the key ingredient, but I've got a lot of little delicious flavors to put together with it. So let's get started. Together can be easy, can be refreshing and delicious, so let's build something that you are going to enjoy. I am going to start with a nice bed of arugula, and make sure you spill it all around the plate as well, because I mean, what is happening? I'm just trying to fluff it out a little bit so that in every single bite that I get a bit of everything that we're gonna be adding in. I mean, a lot of people make salads in bowls, but I make salads in plates or plate bowls because I want all the ingredients. I don't just want lettuce at the end. So maybe that's a tip that you can take to your kitchen, is start eating your salads on a plate. All right, so we've got a bit of arugula to start. So far, so easy. Because watermelon is our key ingredient, that is gonna be the next thing we do. If you like nice big chunks of watermelon, which is what I did, you can put that right into your salad. I'm actually gonna slice these still in half so that I kind of have like slicey pieces of watermelon. And you can add as much or as little to your salad as you want. So I want this to be very fresh and juicy and full of watermelon. So I'm gonna make sure that there's several pieces in every single bite. And because look how beautiful this bright red watermelon looks on the arugula already. Okay, I think that's pretty good because I do have a couple other things I wanna add in. All right, the next thing I'm gonna do is I have thin slices of red onion that I'm gonna put around my salad as well. Now, red onion's gonna give you a nice bite, but don't let the red onion overpower this dish. I mean, we all know onions raw are a little pungent, right? And red onions might be a little milder, but I don't want to take away too much from the juicy, sweet flavors and some of the other things that we're going to be adding as well. So if I can give you one tip on this salad and maybe what to do a little less of, is just a bit of red onion. The next thing I'm going to add is some delicious fresh avocado. I am going to just do little cubes, not little cubes, but like chunky cubes. Oh, I only scored it one way. Whoops, there we go. So I'm gonna just score it with my knife and then kind of take the chunks out with my fork or spoon, whatever you have handy. And I want to do that for a whole avocado. Let's get that pit out. It actually slid out because this avocado is pretty ripe, so I didn't have to work too hard on getting that pit out. This is gonna add that creamy texture to this salad. Up next, my beloved ingredient in any meal that I make, cheese. I got a nice chunk of feta that I'm just gonna crumble into my salad. And now this, my friends, I'm not gonna tell you how much to use. You go as crazy as you want with cheese, because feta and watermelon, for some reason, are this sweet and salty, delicious pair that I personally cannot get enough of. There's so many ways to incorporate watermelon into your summer, and not just by eating it, I mean recipes. Okay guys, is that enough cheese? Not even close. I don't want to use this whole chunk, I want to save some. Okay, one for me, the rest for the salad. I think this already looks ready to eat, but I know we need a little bit more. Number one, we need to make a little bit of a dressing. You wanna have something to bring it all together. So I'm going super simple, because with all these flavors, why do you need much more? I am going to squeeze the juice. I finally figured out how to use this thing, eh? If you've been following along, I've had some issues with learning how to use kitchen tools. For someone who cooks on YouTube, you'd think I'd figure it out. But you know what? Cooking is a process. I did not start cooking and I did not start doing home recipes until later in my life. And it is a learning curve, and it is okay to fail in the kitchen and try again. So, oh, I need muscles for this, and my hand is a little wet from the lime there. Oh, okay. We might not be able to make a dressing today because I can't open my honey jar. Oh my gosh. I think it's just a little sticky. Ow. Oh my gosh. Okay, we are gonna get a dressing. So one juice, or the juice of one lime, and I'm gonna kind of drizzle a bit of honey in and see how it goes. I don't have one of those honeycomb thingy-mabobbers, but I feel like that would be a good idea. And I'm just gonna mix the lime and the honey together until it marries and looks like one. And my friends, that is it. A beautiful, sweet, savory combination, some fantastic flavors, and a lot of feta cheese for your watermelon summer salad. I'm gonna go dig into this right away. There is no point in me waiting. I will sign off and say goodbye. Hit that subscribe button. I have a lot more summer recipes, food photography tips, and just some good old fun coming your way. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again soon. Oh no, shoot. I have this big leafy giant mint pile here. You're supposed to garnish the salad with a little bit of mint too. Don't forget that. Now you're ready to eat.